Hi guys, welcome to Bamboo Kitchen. Today we are making this 2-minute chocolate mug cake. This mug cake is super moist, it's not overly sweet and very chocolatey. If you like fresh baked goods and don't have much time, this recipe is definitely for you. So let's get started. First off, prepare your favorite mug and measuring spoon. I love the oversized mug. Just make sure it's not less than 8 ounces. In your mug, stir together flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Make sure there are no clumps. Then add in the oil and milk. Mix until the mixture is smooth. Drop a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Of course, you can add more if you like. Finally, microwave it on high for 1 minute. It's done, guys! How cool is that, right? So delicious! See the melted chocolate? You can serve it with a scoop of ice cream, which I highly recommend. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!